There are 4,000 species of diving beetles. They can grow up to 2 inches long and live 2 to 3 years. They're really pretty too. They have this olive green color with golden, brown, and light yellow highlights on their abdomen and their back. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about the diving beetle. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
Alright, we're going to start down here with the head because the diving beetle dives. So 2 little eyes, draw 2 little circles. And we're going to draw a little bit of a trapezoid, but curved. Draw a longer line across the top, and then a shorter line across the bottom. This is where. Then we're going to draw a second bubbly trapezoid.
Did you know that diving beetles can't breathe underwater and they need to come up for a breath of air? They're able to store air under their wing covers until they come up to the surface.
Line down the center. And then the rest of the shell are going to come out about 1.5 inches. And those are going to be curved lines. With a line down the center. Now we can draw in the legs. So we're going to start in this little marking right here.
Diving beetles have wings and they fly at night, searching for ponds by the moon's reflection. This is also a great tactic to avoid predators like getting eaten by birds.
And then repeat that in this little gap. On the back, they're going to come out closer to the bottom. We're going to curve out the other way. And these ones we're going to add. Now we can add in some designs. So I'm going to draw some lines down the back of the shell.
Did you know that diving beetles are known to have really great eyesight? They communicate with others by their vibrations in the waters and pheromones that they leave behind. Remember, pheromones are a scent.
And then add some markings. And some dots. Now, the diving beetles are in the water, so we're going to add a few bubbles since they trap the air under their shells. And some markings.
Diving beetles eat small fish, other water insects like tadpoles, and sometimes newts. They use their front pinchers to grasp their food and their middle legs to keep it in place while they eat it. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music while you learn a few more fun facts, and hit that like button if you're enjoying this art lesson. Did you know that diving beetles live in fresh water, still or slowly running, and they prefer water with vegetation? You can always find them near ponds, lakes, and up in the mountains sometimes under heaps of snow. To protect their eggs from predators, female diving beetles will go find a plant, cut a slit in their leaf, and lay their eggs inside that slit. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class and hit that subscribe button for more art classes. Lastly, tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. See you next time!